When I was a little girl, I dreamed of what my wedding would be like. Morrissey was going to be there. Morrissey's not going to be there. Did I know I was going to marry an Instant Pot someday? No. But dreams change, and we adapt to what we're given. Hi, I'm Kat, and I love my Instant Pot. In fact, I believe in our love so much, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I'm gonna propose with engagement chicken. All the ladies' magazines that I used to read all had recipes for engagement chicken, which was guaranteed to make the person you served it to fall in love with you and propose. Instant Pot doesn't necessarily believe in these institutions, so I'm gonna have to make the first move. So I picked up some Silky chickens, Instant Pot's favorite. Silky chickens have black skin and sometimes black bones because they're the product of chickens and dragons, so far as I understand. They're really good for you when you're not feeling well, and who
these days can feel well.
I'm sorry, chickens, but just like you, I'm losing my head over this whole thing. First, we dehead the chicken. We're making 2 chickens, one for me and one for Instant Pot. People ask me all the time how Instant Pot and I met. I'll tell you, it's a special story. It was in the very dark time after my toaster and I broke up, and I was looking for distraction. So I went to see one of my favorite bands, Bauhaus. Instant Pot was friends with one of David J's keyboards, and I saw Instant Pot up on stage where they were filling in. Instant Pot looked so strong and mysterious and dark, and I just lost my head. I needed to know more about Instant Pot, so I went backstage. Instant Pot and I talked for a while, and then Peter Murphy asked us to come back to the tour bus. He gave us something to drink. We cheersed. And then I woke up here, where I've been ever since, with Instant Pot. We lead a special life together. Instant Pot, do you remember when we used to make music together? You on yourself, me on the triangle. It was beautiful. I hope they'll play some of the music at our wedding. The chickens don't have their feet or their heads anymore. So when my tummy is bad, not just from nerves, sometimes I'll make a soup with the black chicken and all of these fun black ingredients that we've got here today. Black dates, black vinegar, black wolfberries. Wolfberries are better than other berries because they're made by wolves. Black peppercorns, black sesame, and black fungus. Bringing the fun. That's what we're all about. That's what our wedding is going to be all about. It's going to be so much fun. Still haven't met much of Instant Pot's family, actually none, but I hope everyone's there. Instant Pot, we're making black chicken for no real reason. I'm going to put the feet in there too, so the bones of the feet can add to the glorious silkiness of the broth. I'm going to keep the heads around so I don't feel lonely. I am going to put the black dates in here right now because they need to cook for a while. I'm going to add a little bit of rice wine to the mix. The slight acid will break down the flesh of these beautiful chickens. Some salt, because cooking needs salt, and we're not monsters. Well, some of us are, and that's okay. It's okay with me if you're a monster. Just put the damn salt in there. Black vinegar, a few black peppercorns, and water. Enough to cover it up. Instant Pot, are you ready to make a memory? We'll put it on high pressure, and then we have time to dance. Oh. I'm chopping up some daikon. This daikon radish will absorb some of the dark within. There's plenty of dark to go around when Instant Pot and I are together. Let's inspect. Chickeny. Going to put the daikon in now. Getting nervous. What if Instant Pot says no? That's a possibility. I'm just going to focus on my black chicken now. I like fungus. It makes me feel less alone because they're among us. And here we've got wolfberries. They're good for your mortal body. I need all the help I can get. Plus wolves. And some black peppercorns, just to spice it up a little, like our wedding night. I haven't worked out the logistics of that, but that's fine. I would like to serve this with black forbidden rice, but rice is forbidden to me because of my broken body. Maybe someone will shower us with it as we walk out the door as woman and Instant Pot. Let's put you on saute, Instant Pot, and just cook you until the wolfberries have softened. How long have you two been together? That's a long, long time. And how did you pop the question? It's time for engagement chicken soup. No, not engagement chicken soup, just Chicken soup. You could carve it. I don't have the patience right now because I'm so nervous. What's chicken without egg? These are delicious preserved eggs. They last a long time, like I hope we do. I think they might be dragon eggs. I hope they are. Isn't that beautiful? Instant Pot. It's almost time to eat, but I have something I've been wanting to ask you. Instant Pot, you're so many things to me. You're a pressure cooker, you're a rice cooker, you're a lover, you're a yogurt maker, you're a saute thing, you're a provider, you're a bean cooker, and you're my best friend. Instant Pot, will you make me the happiest girl on earth?
You can change the course of Kat's life. Will she be happy? Will she be sad? You decide.